And good morning and welcome to VSA Capital 5 Minute Morning Miner on Monday, the 16th of May. And everybody is back from South Africa. We've all drunk too much, eaten too much, and it's time to come home and get on a diet and give up the booze for a while. And of course, whilst we were away, markets were in chaos, even the mining industry. Anyway, how are you, Paul?
I'm pretty well in comparison to the mining industry, and metals prices down again, looks like today.
It's all pretty grim out there, isn't it? We need prices to come down so that we can take away this inflationary pressure. Anyway, let's move straight into it. The one that caught my eye actually this morning was there was an update from Jubilee Metals, which is a great company. Leon Kurtzer really knows how to run a business, but he's so difficult to get hold of. He doesn't really do a lot of marketing. But anyway, what were they saying, Paul?
It's a performance update from Jubilee, the AIM-quoted Southern Africa PGM and battery metals miner. And they're talking specifically about the South African operations around PGM and chrome, as well as their project going on in Zambia with the Sable Copper and Cobalt Refinery Initiative under what they call Project Roan. First of all, on Project Roan in Zambia, they've got the commissioning activities nearly done there to hand over of the new copper concentrator to their operating team. They think they'll get that up to design capacity during July, and they're targeting about 830 tons of copper and concentrate per month to be refined there. So that's making good progress. In South Africa, the new and expanded Inyoni operations are already above design capacity on their targets, so now producing about 86,000 tons per month. I should say treating 86,000 tons a month on run-of-mine feed. And the beneficiation capacity for chrome is also been increased by about half, again up to 220,000 tons a month. And they're targeting full production rates to be reached of around 8,000 ounces for the Inyoni operation in calendar Q1. So that would be a boost of almost 75%. So all of these things, statement-wise, are saying that we should be expecting more and better output and earnings from Jubilee, I think.
Well, as I say, it's a great company. We would love to be able to talk more to Leon. We also had Q1 figures from Horizonte Minerals. I don't think these are too important. We better run through them. The main thing is they're well cashed up. This is probably our favorite nickel project. But any comment you've got, Paul?
As you say, they are well cashed up at 252 million at the end of the quarter of 31 March. And they've got that Araguaia mine, the laterite nickel mine, in construction at this particular point in time. For which they've already done a significant capital investment of the funds that they had raised early in the quarter. Just more or less an update here at this point.
Yeah. Now, we've had also a whole load of announcements from AIM junior gold companies, haven't we? We've had Wishbone, Galantas, Cora, and I think also one other one, which was Eagle Star Resources.
East Star is what it's called.
East Star. Well, pick your favorite, Paul. We can't talk about them all, but one that's the most interesting.
Well, the more advanced one of those is the one called Galantas Gold, Northern Ireland underground mine developer there. They released results from an ongoing 4,000 meter drill program which includes mostly underground development drilling, and 4 holes representing again that they're really targeting something like an average grade on these veins are for mining around 7 grams per ton, and that's what they've been showing here in recent results as well. So the more consistency they can get in this drilling, the better for Galantas, I think.
All right, so quite a lot of little bits of news out today. Anything else you want to comment on, Paul?
Just that Metals Exploration also came up with their full year results today, and the really encouraging thing is a third operational profit year for metals exploration. They've had a real struggle in recent years here with too much debt on the books, but definitely the higher gold prices and change in management over recent quarters has made a difference, and they are making progress. But it's not over yet.
Nothing's over until you finish. Very good, Paul. We'll speak again tomorrow.
Very good. See you then.